this is Peter from HDKATOV. Today I'm here to introduce our new product, instant replay control panel KD61B. And this one can support vMix TCP, so you can control the vMix by network cable to control the vMix on your PC directly. So right now, when I press this button and it will start to recording, you can see pressed, it started recording, and you can control it. You can control it. 1, 2. So you can control it.
So you can switch.
Yes, switch. And right now you also can control its replay option. Maybe plus. You can say A plus 4, and you can press O. Press selected one, and you can see here it's starting to do the instant replay.
Yes.
And if you can move the here to control the speed, move fast, move forward, or move backward, and you also can control its speed here. You can see.
Yeah, use T bar. Yeah.
Okay. And you can play and stop, and
This one for the this just for the speed, right?
and we also can support 4 different customized buttons, event 1 to event 4. So you can change this function by our Weibo page.
Oh, great! So it has a web UI.
So you can find the IP address here.
Yeah.
But now you can see.
Phoebe. Yes. So it has a web UI. Yeah. Okay. This replay controller. Yeah, great. This it has a web UI. You can do the customization here. So Peter, what's this product for? What kind of the application will it use for?
Mostly used for the instant ad channel playback. So you can get it worked with the vMix and
Yeah,
instant
I see.
playback.
So maybe the clients will use it for the TV sports, right?
Yes.
Like soccer, yeah, football.
And the rest now we use the vMix, the TCP. You can see here is vMix TCP. You also can change it to the USB.
So it has 2 protocols for you to choose.
Yes.
Okay, great. Great. It is a nice product. So thank you, Peter.
Thank you.